Hey app builders, choosing the right no-code platform can make or break your project. Today we're comparing Backendless, Bubble, and Xano in a few minutes to help you decide which is best for your app. Let's dive in. First, we have Backendless. It's a full-stack no-code platform with a visual UI builder, robust backend tools like database management, APIs, and real-time messaging. You can host it on their own cloud or your own server, giving you flexibility and less platform lock-in. Great for developers wanting control. Next, we have Bubble. This is an all-in-one no-code platform, perfect for building web and mobile apps without coding. It shines in front-end design with a drag-and-drop interface and has a built-in backend for data and workflows. Ideal for startup. Finally, we have Xano. This is a no-code backend powerhouse. It offers scalable server, flexible PostgreSQL database, and a no-code API builder. It's front-end agnostic, meaning it pairs with any front-end tool like Bubble or Atalo. Perfect for complex, scalable backends. Now, let's compare. Here's how they stack up. If you're a startup needing a fast all-in-one solution, Bubble is your go-to for its simplicity and front-end focus. For enterprise apps with custom hosting needs, Backendless offers flexibility and control. But if you need a robust, scalable backend to power complex apps, Xano is the champ with its speed and security. That's it, guys. Choose based on your app's needs, speed, scale, or simplicity. Drop a comment with your pick and subscribe for more no-code tips. See ya.